When atoms of elements are bonded tightly to form a compound, the properties of the compound are completely different from the properties of the elements that it is made from. For example, iron is a metal. It is hard, gray, strong, conducts heat and electricity, and is magnetic. Iron conducts electricity and responds strongly to magnets. Sulfur is a non-metal. It is yellow, brittle, does not conduct heat or electricity, and is not magnetic. Unlike iron, sulfur shows none of these metallic properties. When these two elements are heated, they combine together to form the compound iron sulfide. Iron sulfide is not magnetic and does not conduct heat or electricity. When you mix iron and sulfur together, you make a mixture of two elements. In science, the word pure is used to describe something that only contains a single substance. Pure water contains only water, with no other substances mixed with it. A mixture is not pure. It is made up of different kinds of particles that are mixed together. The mixture may be of elements, compounds, or both. There are solids, liquids, and gases that are mixtures. For example, air is a mixture of several different elements and compounds. Air contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and small quantities of some other gases. The composition of air varies because the amount of water vapor changes all the time, depending on the weather. The amount of carbon dioxide and other gases also change. This can be a result of natural emissions, such as when animals and plants produce carbon dioxide when they respire. Plants also use carbon dioxide when they make food, so this removes carbon dioxide from the air. The changes in the composition of air can also be as a result of human activity, increasing the amount of carbon dioxide that is given out as a result of burning fossil fuels. The composition of air has changed over millions of years. At one time there was much less oxygen in the atmosphere. The label on a bottle of mineral water lists many minerals. There is more than just water in the bottle. The bottle contains a mixture of water and other substances. The minerals are dissolved in the water. The mineral water is a solution. A liter of water may have several grams of minerals dissolved in it.